Hey guys, so this is my Lego Sorter 2.0 that I'm gonna have to do some tweaking, but just to get the general idea. If you haven't watched the last video, I used a Raspberry Pi to control the Lego NXT motor to drive the Lego axle sorter. But this time, I'm just gonna use an Arduino Uno with the OSEP H-bridge motor driver, and so to pretty much going to do the same thing that the Raspberry Pi did, but I'm just going to use Arduino Uno. So here we go. Let me go ahead and power it up. Oh, there it is. So I already ran the script. I'm just hooking up my motor wire. So now you see the conveyor moving. All right. How I accomplish this? I have the Lego motor spinning the drive shaft all the way down. And you see different gears are they're beveled, so it's going to the adjacent gear to turn the chain. So you can see the chain there's gaps in between. There's a gap here. There's a gap there. They're different sizes, so look, I may have to do a few adjustments, but just to get the right sizes done. So the Lego axles are uses Lego came up with their sizes, so it's not accurate in any kind of measurement sense, but they just decided this is a size 4, Lego size 6, size 8, size 10, and I should have a longer one, size 12. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and that's how I label my cups, size 4, 6, 8, 10, and even a 12 at the very end. So let's go ahead and drop a 4 in there. That should go to the first hole, which is the first cup right here. So let's go ahead and drop that in. Let me switch hands. Okay, so I'm going to put a 4. Okay, and so this is a green hopper. It looks like maybe I have to narrow it so it lands right on the chain and not on the edges of the chain. So, and I may even have the hopper vibrate just so it can shake them, just to give them a little bit of shake them into to the track. So this is going to be a size 6. So it's not going to go in this hole, but it'll go into the next one, which is this cup. So let's see if I can do it catch it all. So it's going to go past the, oops, maybe, yeah, I might have to do some adjustment. Hold on, let me try it again. Size 6. Oh, it skipped and went to the next hole. Let me try it again one more time. I may have grabbed the wrong size. So this should be 6, yep. Okay, so that's what it was. Size 6. It's going to go past the hole, go into the next one. Let me do it one more time. So you're going to see it bypass this hole. Alright, cool. Now we're going to do a size 8 to see where that lands. So I'm going to drop it. It went in, good, it went into this guy, size 8. Okay, good. Alright, so now I'm going to do a size 10. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to adjust the size 10 a little bit. Actually, it landed right here, so I might have to do an adjustment. It should have landed here, but it went all the way to the end. So let's do a 12, which will definitely go to the end. And let's see, travel, skipping all the holes, should go to the last one. So it looks like I'm going to have to bring this cup in a little bit closer. Alright, so let's just drop a handful of them. So definitely going to need some, to do some tweaking, but you get the general idea. So let me grab a handful of these. Now let's just drop a whole bunch of them. So you hear them, you see them traveling. Drop it in. And like I said, looks like I'm going to have to bring them in so they're the hopper edges, so make it narrow so they don't land on the side in the gray, but they land right in the middle of the chain. I'm going to drop a few more in, and that's going to be it. And knock him in. Alright, so you get the general idea. It looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of refinement in some areas to make the hopper shake a little bit, make it narrow, bring in the farthest cup a little bit, maybe adjust the gaps in between some of the gaps in the chain conveyors. So feel free to check out my other videos. Also, leave a comment. put a like. If you have any suggestions, I'm open to it. Anything you want to see or want to see me try as a sorter, so that'd be great. And I make no money off these videos whatsoever. I just like sharing any kind of knowledge that I gained and share it with others. Whether you're a student, a veteran in engineering, or you're just a DIY hobbyist, I like sharing the information with everyone. I hoard no information, so I like to just share information. I'm not really profiting. I'm not making any money off these videos. Like I said, I just like trying something if it works, or get a general idea across and share that knowledge with others so they can maybe make a better system. Like I said, I'm open to suggestions, and so I'm going to call it a night here, and have a good night. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye.